Well, hey, Glue Troopers, I actually got some stuff done tonight, but the sun is setting and I got to get in before the monsters come out.
Yeah, but he's taking a picture. Yeah, of your night walker.
Yeah, when I was their age, that would have terrified me. Well, hello, Glue Troopers. Max and Max's Models here. So today, as in the Tarbus, it was all about painting the interior structures for the Jupiter 2. They're basically a medium to light brown with a buff exterior. These parts do have raised details, but I also had the mask for them, but some of them, most of them had already been painted. So what I decided to do was go ahead and just mask off the part that needed to be painted, of course, and then shot it with a little bit of light brown that I mixed up. And then I said, you know what? I have a buff colored paint that's actually, I think, a hint closer to the right shade. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to try something. I'm going to just airbrush unmasked the area, the dark brown area, or darker brown. And then once that hardens, it's an acrylic and it hardened 15-20 minutes. I'm going to use those masks that I got, the vinyl mask, and then I'll shoot the rest of it in buff. And I used the big Awada gun for that. And it worked out really, really nicely. I also started putting the first of many colors on the suspended animation tube backings. And there's still going to be some green and some other stuff added to it, and decals. They're actually fairly detailed. And so this, just because it was so repetitive and there were so many of them to do, this actually took quite a while to knock out. Also had to paint all the walls and everything, which meant masking off the doors and panels I'd already painted. None of this is anything out of the ordinary. It's all pretty straightforward. It's just a lot of work. And that's what I did today. I was out there probably about 4 hours doing this, but I'm making some progress. Spoke with Gavin Swan, who runs the Scale Model Apprentice YouTube channel. He's going to be with us on the live stream tomorrow night. He's a young model builder. We'll get a very sharp guy, and I look forward to having our discussion with him. And that's pretty much most of what I did today. You guys take care of yourselves. We'll see you at the live stream tomorrow night. And as always, model on.
The way it all would end, the way it all would go. Our lives are better left in chance. I could have missed the pain that I'd have had